3603 39th Avenue West, dates July 28, 2022. I'm making this recording from the clean out on the far south side of the home. We're looking at the Seattle City Main Sewer again, and we're going to see this whole shared line between 3603 and 3609. This is a newly installed 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipeliner that goes from the main all the way back to a trench that we dug on property over in 3609's yard. About a 9-10 foot deep hole over there exposed the point where these two homes sewers connected, and made the repairs. So newly installed liner, turned out really good. Right back into our section of PVC. This is newly installed PVC that was part of the excavation portion of this project. So this is the shared portion, that's 6-inch diameter PVC. We're going to come out of that 6-inch right here back into 4-inch diameter. You can see 3609's connection on the left side of the screen. We're now back in 3603's personal sewer line. So we are no longer in the shared portion of the line. We are in the 3603 solo line. So coming back through this 4-inch diameter now, come immediately back into our 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipeliner. This was installed as part of a previous project about 2 years ago, I believe in 2020 or 2021. So this was not part of this new project. All the rest of that was. This is an existing sewer liner installed by Bob Oates a couple years ago. Again, existing liner, not part of this project. And up out of the PVC. Made this recording from this clean out here over on the side of the house, south side of the house. Ending the video there.